Now, if you thought smoking was the only way you can develop lung cancer, think again. January is Radon Action Month, and health agencies are pushing everyone to test their homes for this deadly gas. News 10's Shireen Tagarobi has that report.
You can't smell it, you can't see it, you can't feel it. That's why they say it's the silent killer.
Radon is a known carcinogen, but the only symptom of exposure is lung cancer itself.
It is the leading cause of lung cancer in non-smokers.
The good news is elevated radon levels can be reduced. Technicians can install mitigation systems to prevent radon from seeping into your home.
After we add this pipe to it here coming out the top, it blows all the gas up above the house. Basically, it bypasses the living space. So we're going actually underneath the basement floor and then putting it above the house. So we're bypassing all the breathing space in the house.
Radon can enter the home via the sump cracks and crevices in the home, even through the concrete itself. And no matter the home's age, it's not a bad idea to get it tested.
The EPA, the Surgeon General, recommends everybody to test their homes.
The only reason you have high levels is when it's in the house, it has a chance to build up because it's trapped. So the more energy efficient your home is, the better it can hold the gas in, which usually typically causes you to have higher levels.
According to a survey, elevated levels of radon are expected in 1 of 8 homes. In some counties, up to 45% of homes have levels above the EPA standard. Shireen Tagarobi, News 10.
SWAT Environmental tells us they also offer free testing.